Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you all? I hope you guys doing good. So welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll talk about the Fetch.Ai. So in the today's video we'll discuss about the artificial intelligence project, that is the Fetch.Ai, and you will love the video about that project. So if you haven't hit the like button, you have to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and you have to like my videos and share it with the family and the friends. So in the today's video we'll discuss about that AI based cryptocurrency that's based on out of the Cambridge, and they are trying to solve a lot of the issues within the crypto space and outside of the crypto space using the AI technology. So it's an interesting and one. I'm going through the latest development and update, plus the price prediction towards the end of the video. So stay tuned and definitely watch the very end of the video. We are here, and you will sure to join the crits, and you will surely join the Shahzadi channel. And if you like the video, it's very much appreciated if you do comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and all the comments are very much welcome. So jumping straight into the video, first of all, I am not a financial advisor. That's not the financial advice, and also this video is not sponsored. I'm just talking about that what's happening with the Fetch.Ai. So bring your attention towards that project, and it's going to be very much when we going over through the tokenomics and with the price that is around $28 and around the market for quite some time now. It's now on 2029. Really, it's an opening price that is 41 cents, and it's so much all time high, a dollar. So many people saying that could go to a dollar. We are going to have to wait to see, especially right now they with the way the market is moving, going through the project itself. So when we discuss about the project, it's we have covered this, and I believe once before on this channel talking about the AI cryptocurrencies, and many of you have asked me for a specific video on a Fetch.ai and what it's trying to do and trying to solve. So founded in 2017 based on out Cambridge, I have mentioned, and based on the Cambridge. So initial exchange offering on Binance in March 2029, that with the given the name of the AI, means the artificial intelligence on if you guys don't know what's an artificial intelligence, go right there on my channel, that's an Urdu channel, Crypto Shahzadi. You can watch over here the video on the about the artificial intelligence. I've just recently uploaded my last video. So artificial intelligence it utilizes that technology, and according to which this is again going through this definition, and in the definition we will see. But the Fetch.Ai democrates access to AI technology with a permission network upon which anyone can connect and access secure data sets by using the autonomics and AI to execute the task that leverage its global network of data. And a lot of words that from the surface level that may seem like just going straight over ahead to a sort of the break that down further. Essentially what's it's trying to do, it's take all of the data out of there's a some in data in a particular sector. So whether that may be a medical or the internet or the things, so you are the Alexa, whatever it may be, the things like that, and uses the data from there and somehow put the data onto the blockchain, and for it to be assessed. And that is one way or the one thing they are trying to do. So going into what they say, do Fetch.Ai model is rooted in use cases like optimizing D5 trading services, which is a big thing, and a big thing are transporting networks, so parking and micro mobility, smart grids travel, and essentially any a complex digital system that realize large scale data sets. So just going through the much further detail of the D5 trading, you know further that is again an extremely a complex task that must be done. So trying to solve the grips of essentially in the today's world of the crypto, and so Fetch.Ai is helping solve these things. So really ultimately it's a B2B business or business to solution, not really business to consumer. Something like mm, Ethereum or XRP could be do something that straight to the consumer, or XLM for example. Fetch.AI is B2B. And so, you have to ask yourself what is going to be important things that going to be coming with FFSAI, and how could it also improve itself in a further, ultimately it'll be further developing those technologies and having access to those technologies, having the potential over that, potential investment for a lot of the people. And there is an important on this project of the FHAI. So, moving towards the Fetch AI project, and in this project you will cover this particular project one before on this. So, we want to bring your attention to the guys, so that there is a loss of effect token defect and the Fed token. So you can see here there is an end in its cricketer is wet, and there is the token itself. And ultimately you can see use cases for it. You get discounts over here on the fees, and there are incentives to hold the token, to become a validator. And so you want to validate the transactions on its network or within its network, so you can become a validator. That's why the many of the use cases as well. But again, value become the agent is required for two agents perform an exchange of the value in the ecosystem. And also staking, which again is a big thing in the space. If you can stake the token, that's again you are incentivizing people to hold the token. So if you are the sort of the long term game or the long term going to website here, I am talking about you can do it in agents network, and it's a tooling, um, as well as the important from I'm going to three. What is Fat token? The Fat token is a digital currency. The Fat token is primary medium of exchange. That's an ecosystem. If you want to pay more services provided by the Fetch, you pay it in the Fat. So to use USD to buy services in the United States, you can use this currency over there. The Fetch.AI project is a really a good project, and it will give many billions of the profit to the users. You can surely watch and love to move towards this video, and you will like that video. Hopefully that will be released, and I think 2023 hopefully will be released at some point soon, and you can check it into. They are trying to do the transactional very soon. So again, hopefully it make a sense. If you haven't, I haven't talked about anything or missed anything, I haven't discussed anything, do comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'm very happy to clarify anything in that comments below. If you found this video interesting, you want to see more videos like that, be sure to join the Digital Shahzadi channel and subscribe, and leave a like on this video. If you do it, like it, very much appreciated. And do comment below any sort of suggestion for the future videos, or any other AI cryptocurrencies you want to use to look into. Well, very much welcome you all. Will be My name is Digital Shahzadi, and you're watching the Digital Shahzadi channel. If you want to more update, go in the link below, hit my like button. Go in the link below, and do subscribe. Do join my channel of the Telegram, free to and free to learn. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.